Bro, do you see my hair, dog? Like, it's ridiculous. The things that are going on in my head right now, bro. Just look. Just, I don't know. This is the worst. Waiting for your hairline to grow back because you got an impromptu haircut at a place you never really get your haircut at. Hey, so I learned magic over the weekend. Want to see how fast I get to Accra to pick up my throat bearing and back home? Watch this. I told you I was fast, bro. I told you. Back home, got what I needed. This is the part number in case you want to run an OEM throwout bearing on your setup. And remember, if you read the description of each of my videos, you can get sponsored by Accra. 20% with free shipping to anywhere in the United States of America. All my sponsor information is either in the intro of this video or down in the description box below. Get involved, tap in, and yeah, so now let's get this car back together. But first, a word from our sponsor. Alright, so here is my action clutch flywheel. Right here, baby. Ooh, that fire, fire. Fire, fire, fuego, fuego, fire, fire, fire. Ooh, the GOAT. Action clutch. This is the only company, bro. The only company that pays me for when people use my code. Bro, you know how many times they came clutch when I was dead broke, dog? Well, not dead broke, but I was broke. And bro, when that first of the month hit and they send you that influencer little, you know, little payday for people using your bro. If you're gonna buy a clutch, support me in Action Clutch. Use discount code Zosh to save 15% off anything off their website. Action Clutch fam, dog. They be looking out for you, boy. Real spit. Look at that. Look at the ice. Look at the ice. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. Okay, so the car is all back together, but I'm having an issue to where the pedal is just soft. I'm not sure what's going on, and I replaced the slave with my old Exedi OE replacement slave, and same problem, but that slave sat for a long time, so I'm guessing that slave is clapped. I don't know, it's weird. I'm having this weird issue right now where my car, it'll go into gear, right? Like the car will go into gear, but it's rough going into gear because the pedal, like the pressure on the pedal is too soft. It's, I don't know. I don't like it, bro. So what I'm going to do now, I think, is see if I have warranty on the AutoZone slave. I think I got it from AutoZone. I'm pretty sure I did. And then I'll exchange it and try to bleed it and see what happens. So it's always something, bro. It's always something. Well, I put in a new slave. That was a fiasco within itself. I went to AutoZone, warrantied out my slave. They gave me the right bag, like the right part number bag, but the slave that was inside wasn't the right slave at all. So I had to go to another AutoZone that was like 15 minutes more further down away. So finally back home. I love this time change. It's just like it's already 7 o'clock and it's still light outside. The pedal feels better. I think my master might be taking a dump. I'm not sure, dog. I don't know, man. I don't know. But the car does go into gear. I need to go drive it, the test drive it and everything, so I can close out this video with some revvings and stuff like that. But I'm kind of scared to drive it because I don't want to get stranded if I need to pump it and all that stuff. So I guess what I'll do, I'll drive it front and back in the garage, but that's kind of whack. I don't want to put that on camera because I don't want to get like, I don't know, bro. I care too much about content, even though like it don't seem like it sometimes, but I do. I promise you I do. I do. But yeah, man, it's yeah, that fuck it. What's up, y'all? So it's the next day. I got a brand new CMC from Power Torque from O'Reilly. Shout out to my sponsor, O'Reilly. If you guys need anything, buy from Zosh MFG. Honestly, that's the sponsor of today's video. So I'm going to remove my old CMC and replace it with the new one. And hopefully this works, bro. Pray I pray this works. New CMC is in. Look at the freaking, oh, look how nice that is right there. This is the old CMC, and look at this thing, bro. Like, I'm sure that this is not, I know like there should be a little play in this, but for the whole thing to go like this, you see all that black contaminated stuff? That's not good, bro. Like, that is, it's not good at all. So hopefully when I can bleed this thing when my brother gets here so he can help me, we should be solid. I just want to drive my car, bro. I just want to drive my Integra, dog. That's all I want to do, bro. So, bad news. It didn't fix my problem. I don't know what's going on. I gotta drop the gearbox and see what's going on because I have no idea what the issue is. Yeah, no idea. Maybe there's something going on with my clutch now out of nowhere that all I did was put on the flywheel. It's something. I have good fork travel. I have no idea, dog. It is 7:16. Oh, it's gym time. So the goal now is to drop the gearbox again and see what's going on. It's not a hard thing to do though. I just don't want to do it. I just don't want it to work. But I'm gonna just end the video here. Hopefully in the next video I can figure out what's going on. I thought the CMC would have fixed it, but the pedal just, it's not feeling as stiff as it should be. Pause. But yeah, dog. Yeah. Shit is trash. It's like 9 o'clock. I'm supposed to be editing right now. You guys are watching this on a Wednesday. It's 9 o'clock. And yeah, I got home from the gym at like 8:30 and I decided to drop the gearbox. So that's what I did. I'm just inspecting things to see what the fudge is going on. But anyways, hello? Nobody here? I'm by myself? Called the group chat, nobody answered.
At a moment, but it came and went.
Copyright. What's happening? I'm sad as frick, man. God, I don't know what's going on with my car, dog. Let me know what you think. All I did was replace the flywheel and replace the throwout bearing with an OEM instead of going the AutoZone route, which I always use, but like they only last for like 5,000 miles or less. Shit, garbage. I don't recommend it. If you guys have any expertise, please let me know. I need to close out this. I need to. Hey, I love you. If you hate seeing me sad, leave a like on the video. If you love seeing me sad, please leave a dislike on the video. No, I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of y'all. That's it for me. I'm out. Peace.